Uncle konnichiwa de drashtele ani Tharing vlog chik so samso long time no see mangbu chik chera mas khainana lega do chi ani kali rosh kharuda anu de tharing nima kashi chik off yera ani nge thongmo kore ni chuli yore ngani college nyam de chirya ani mo kore pha dosa college sane ani nga de thayna lera anda mo khongse legi la sik thayna ani ngi ngani nyam de dere chau sikla ani ta nima kashi chik dera ani begla chik thadi chi ani Samara Gonda long time review chera masa ani the mo puerta adi time da chi terminal 2 le 2 le na ta ga la domestic layer domestic dole ne da ani stay de la ani da this Taiwan corridor ska ba ni ondi nga nge ji ke interesting to do thing de samso ani ondi ke ni semba da video kashi jik se de ya on the process era ne lockdown mara this kale kha ro stu ya edit chela ondi this jela le to ko da di video ding li kirge ani nte ano in the chi nge so I'm still waiting Sylvia I'm waiting for you her name is Sylvia though Kim Jong-hun mas mingone Kim Jong-hun ria mo short name Sylvia ria so Sylvia sounds better so I call her Sylvia as well ani windere ani tanda ani nyamdo desiringala ani weje chinchi sunko ani and keep you guys updated and then sangma comment chigyotang like gyotang subscribe chigyotang sangmala tujenang ani onde vlog mas chua jashi vlog mang chin pe mang bu zor lai jashi Okay, now I'm planning to change my position because it's really crowded on that place. I don't want her to miss me. You know, if there's like lots of people, you don't see. It's hard to see, like it's hard to spot people. Or maybe should I just stand here? Okay, so it seems that she haven't already landed, but because she texted me just now, but I'm not sure if she can get out now because she didn't book her return ticket yet. So she was asking about the arrival card, but I don't know. I think it's this one. We can't. She's thank you. Thank you. You want to keep picture? I'll be signed. Oh, finally! This is your last bag. Oh my god! Sissy, thank you. Oh my god. That's a lot actually. I was like hoping for like just few of them. 20. Oh my god. And then for you, I bought something. Ta-da! I want a dress new. I made you buy your dress. Ta-da!
I have clothes to wear now.
like this slit. This slit. Because you were like, you don't have any pretty things to wear, and then I was like searching, I was searching so hard to get, because I don't want to show the underarms, and then not too much, because you don't like to show too much.
You're so considerate.
I like this one. It's like this small. And that's why I asked you, did you gain any weight? Lord, in the rain, sister.
It's not so thin as well.
Yeah. Wow. And the leather.
It's like 2 necklaces and 1 earring.
Wow.
I hope you like it. Like,
Oh, this. And this. 谢谢. 감사합니다. 谢谢라야 말하다. 못 겸이 말아. 감사합니다. 고맙습니다. 진짜 고마워. So 예뻐. And then you also got me the black one.
this for lip mask.
Just isn't this expensive? I just want just one.
I can buy one.
Really, just one. She bought me like 2. How sweet.
And this is the big one, and these are the small ones. Mom bought like every company she saw.
I think I saw this one before in your room.
And this is the bigger one.
이거 있는데 snacks. Galaxy finger favorite. The big one you told me about, right? When we eat the small one, you said there's a big one. It's really good.
It's this big.
That's the traditional one, right? That's a lot. Oh my god, I can't accept it. This is like too much. Tanto mama skin pack, the skin 주시 찍어라 니니 그거 좀 니슈. Oh my god.
Nothing else now.
Oh no, this is like too much. Sesame. This is so pretty. I don't know when to wear it though. When should we wear it? This is the ninja chat. But later I'll do the like ngay like this. Now I'm speaking in Tibetan. It smells like I want to eat you. It's like a fruit. 뭐 perfume 주더라. Too much scent. 식상해져야죠 뭐. Okay, 당연히 ready. We just got ready and now we are moving out. So right now it's 5 o'clock, almost 5 o'clock. So we are planning to go to Shanghai Sikh Memorial Hall, but it's quite far. We need to travel around 1 hour in bus. Oh, you won't feel cold.
I hope so.
Okay. It's in the box. Hello. Yeah, we got on the wrong bus station. Got off on the wrong bus station. We have to walk for minutes to get there. It's so noisy. Shanghai, now we are reached here. Like a gallery. And then you should also do meeting. Yeah. And most of them they're like Indonesian, Philippine. So Shanghai Sikh Memorial Hall so I'll be closing this vlog right here and we'll be shooting the next video, and then you can click on my next video if it's out, or maybe if it's not, then you can wait for my next video and I'll show you around the Shanghai Sikh, not Shanghai Sikh, Shanghai Sikh memory ako. And you did Haslerda. Where's my Sylvia? It's lost. Say bye, Sylvia.
Bye.
Bye.